Kaitlin, thank you so much for coming all this way to New York City.
Thank you
For the fourth Women Building Women segment, I think this seminar about personal branding is very important.
Hi, I'm Nadia Martinsik, and I'm attending Karen Gamba's Women Building Women strategy session today. My background has been in banking, in particular lending, credit, relationship management, business development, treasury, and cash management, sales.
Service from Alpha, or is it more people PR? Thank you so much for having me. I had such a wonderful time with the Women Building Women event. I learned so much about building personal brands and businesses, so I appreciate it.
It would be interesting to blog based on what you do because of the other interesting books, and also to go to the events.
How do you feel you can add value to these women in this particular sector?
Absolutely. Personal branding is becoming increasingly important for everybody, and women in finance has a particular need in this area because sometimes I find that a lot of the women I'm working with, they're super talented, they're amazing, they are really good at their jobs, but it's about communicating that key message to key stakeholders so that they can position themselves and get ahead.